27 minus 3 bracket 2 plus 1 whole square equal what? Here 27 minus 3 gives us 24, multiply this 2 plus 1 gives us 3, this is square. 24 multiply 3 square gives us 9. 24 times 9 gives us 216. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis, then this exponent. Here 27 minus this 3 multiply this 2 plus 1 gives us 3, and this part 2. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this exponent. Here this 27 minus this 3 times this 3 square gives us 9. Now I have to work with this multiplication, because multiplication have higher priority than this subtraction. Here this 27 minus this 3 times 9 gives us 27. Here 27 minus 27 gives us 0, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.